Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Right, today I am going to be cooking some bacon. Also with the bacon I've got some mushrooms that are already pre-sliced that I haven't got to do anything with apart from chuck them in a pan. I'm going to have a brioche roll that looks like it's been slightly overcooked. That's a bit better. And I've got one beef burger left, so I'm going to smash that down. Of course I'm going to have a bit of cheese as well, 4 blends of cheese. Hopefully that's still alright. And I've got in here a couple of eggs, maybe 1 egg, maybe 2. I'm not sure yet. Haven't decided. I've got some Kerrygold in there. It's frozen, so I'm going to use it in the pan and cook that up. Right, so smash burger, as always. There's the burger. Break it into 2. There you go. A double whammy today. That on top. A roundish bowl, maybe, if you can get the contours of that. And just big reveal. There you go, that'll do, isn't it? Sorted. That was easy, wasn't it? So I'm just going to cut a knob of butter off this butter, and there it is. Maybe a little bit more. There you go. Go. Let's get some mushrooms in there. Easy life mushrooms. There's some mushrooms in there. Probably should get the bacon in there as well, because the bacon's going to take a while to cook, isn't it? What did I do that for? Never mind, there you go. Couple bits of bacon. Mushrooms are looking like mushrooms. Mushrooms are looking like mushrooms. God, I do say some random things sometimes. I'll talk to myself. Okay. Oh yeah. Looking good. While that's like that, I'm just going to pop these in, soak up some of that flavour. And get you a bit closer. Not plain ball. Let's try that. That's a bit better. to smell good. But I knew that it would. So I've got some posh dogs to try. Not tried them before. Got them from M&S yesterday. Not trying today, but you know, at some point I will be. And also got some. I've got some haggis as well. Haggis and black pudding. That'll be something different for me. And I bought a pizza the other day as well. And I can't say I've ever had an M&S pizza. So that'll be interesting to see. What's that looking like? Crispy around the edges and oh yeah, I would like it. So a few more juices in there. There we go. Sorry about that if that skipped around the wrong way. Bit of noise for you. Brilliant. Have another one of them. Eggs. Two different colours, look at that. Baker's looking crispy. Chilli flakes. Do like a few chilli flakes on my eggs now. Definitely a bit of black pepper. Sprinkle of salt. No more than that. Need to get that bacon out. It is looking well cooked. As for those burgers, oh yeah, looking good. Just getting burgers out as well. Maybe the mushrooms. I can give them a little flick into the bowl. That'll burn myself. Okay. All in the bowl. Sorted. Some of them juices just to cook the eggs through. Hopefully that's not stuck. That's right. coming on. Nearly there. Just gonna tighten it up a little bit there. Will be good. Oh, do you know what I've missed? Missed it completely as well. Put your eggs away. Much cheese left in there. Don't know, just chuck it in there. Right. I'm just gonna chuck that on there. Chuck that one, hopefully, on there. Plenty of cheese melted. Eggs are done. Looking dandy. Right. Let's get you somewhere where you can see. Hopefully you can see. So, get the melted cheese on there. What's this going to work out like? I don't know. Let's just blow it up a bit there. Zoom around a bit. Right. So I've got a burger. Back to stacking again. Probably not very well. As you can tell. Failed already. I'll get some mushrooms on there. Start with the mushrooms, eh? We'll start low and work high. So we've got some mushrooms. We've got a burger. We've got some bacon. Of course, this one's going to be another bit of burger. Don't really know how to get these eggs in there. There's a runny egg. There's another. Stacked it up. And there's a topping. Maybe if I zoom back a little bit. More. Oh. There you go. So, is it runny? Maybe. If I hadn't have wedged that on there, but it's sort of runny. Yeah, that's all right. I'm going to tuck in. Right, let's just stop that one. Right, so I've had a few nibbles out of it. I've turned the camera around to see if I could get more light, because I noticed that when I was filming that way, the light was sort of shining through and it was making it brighter and darker, and anyway, all of that. So there's the burger. That's all the bit that I haven't eaten, and that's all the bit that I have. So yeah, it looks and tastes delicious. No sauce on there, just flavours. obviously the chilli flakes, giving it a good kick. And the egg. The bacon, the burger, the mushrooms, the brioche roll that was cooked in the pan. So if you like the video, give us a like. If you didn't, watch the one before. Maybe you'll like that one. Or the one before that. There's plenty in there to watch. So enjoy your day, people. Hope England do well tonight. And I'll catch you tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.